Dean Charles, Frenzy XL 2.2. It's Madcow, maroon and black, 2.2 inches in diameter, 53 inches tall. It weighs 2.2 kilograms, flying on a J350. Dual deploy with an egg timer quantum and an egg timer GPS with a main chute at 500 feet. Dean, are you ready? Dean is ready. We're on 3-4. We're armed. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. That last rocket just dropped below the sun off of the east end of the flight line. I think it's over the road now, so we're all clear. Range is open, bring them on up.